How to find someone's location by phone number on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find someone's location using their phone number on an iPhone. This method works if the person has shared their location with you, and I'll show you how to check that. Let's get started. First, open the Messages app and find the conversation with the person whose location you want to track. Now, tap on their name at the top of the screen, and if they've shared their location with you, you'll see an option that says See Location. If you don't see that option, it means they haven't shared their location. So you can request it by scrolling down and tapping Send My Current Location and ask them to do the same. Alternatively, you can use the Find My app. So open the Find My app, tap on People, and if the person has shared their location with you, their name will appear here. Simply tap on it to see their location in real time. And that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button and check out the description for more tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.